road this morning, so I'm just gonna kick off the weekend vlog right here. Yes, you guys are getting a weekend vlog this week. I initially wanted to do a little sit down, but as you guys know, I'm having issues with my phone audio, so I guess you guys will just have to work with a vlog until that issue is sorted. So yeah, this weekend is somewhat of a busy weekend. So as you can see, I'm heading on the road right now. I'm heading to the fabric store actually to pick up some fabric that I will be needing for my upcoming collection for Island Child Style. If you guys checked out the previous vlog, you would have seen where we did the launch for the runway show, and the final show is coming up in December. So as usual, these vlogs are delayed, so by the time you see this video, chances are the show would have been, you know, long gone. But nevertheless, you can check it out and head on over to my Instagram, guys, if you want to stay like updated with what I am doing. Like, just follow what was that just follow me over on Instagram at Couture Shanz. Yeah, so today we're just going to pick up some fabric. I might show you guys a little behind the scenes of, you know, basically putting together the collection, sewing, you name it. So yes, I'm really excited, really looking forward to it. The launch was so good, as I explained in the last vlog. So you can just imagine what the actual show is going to be like. But listen, it's a lot of work. So yeah, that's the pre, so come along with me. We're going to Pablo's as usual, my favorite place in the world. You guys have seen me there a lot in the vlog, so I might not show as much as I usually do, because I mean that's just old boring fabric stuff, like no one see that. But yeah, just insert some clips here and there, and then we'll just see where the rest of the day takes us, guys. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like on this video. Before you go, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend who is basically a fashionista, who is interested in business, who just loves the daily lifestyle, the weekend vlogs, you name it. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate it. So yeah.
Why the fuck you making techno? I'm worldwide and this is just another cargo jet flow. I had to let go.
Okay, so still no black spandex, guys. I'm looking spandex because I will be doing like some swimsuits. The music I don't want to get copyrighted, so I can't really film much, but I definitely, ooh, these are nice. These prints are so nice. Definitely need some of these to include as well. So yeah, let me give you guys a little outfit of the day. Not much, my little regular bead t-shirt, jeans. Hold on. So yeah, guys, I'm rocking this t-shirt from So Chill. Check them out on IG. Yeah, this is a tee, some jeans, and my handy dandy Crocs. Yeah, they're kind of dirty today, but yeah. I set you free. I am in misery. There ain't nobody that can comfort me. Oh yeah, why won't you? Nobody said good. The silence is slowly killing me. I think so. It's not how we know. It's not what I did, it's what I did show. You have to see yourself on YouTube now. Don't waste your time. Because I'm happy. Chicken happy. Something Mary out there near.
This makes me happy.
That makes you happy? Good to know. Chicken Mary out there near. Yeah, that's the same. Let's hope there are no hawks anywhere near. So I'm basically finished in the fabric store. Where do you need me to hold that? Oh, alright. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Forgot to need to hold it. So yeah. Guys, it's Christmas. Sun is for 23. These are so nice. I like this one. Does it have like the snowflake looking things? These are nice. This little one is for 18. We have a tree already though. So I'm gonna think we're buying no more tree for now, but I like that big one around the back. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Tired and unfit. So yeah, I'm really looking a fan because I just got a call to say Jamaica mash up the fan. So I look at fan and I look at bicycle because ooh, this one is so nice. He would love this. Look at this one. It's like a Spider-Man thing. And I love Spider-Man. I think we can probably get him this one. Oh, the one they pay for already. Backside, them I go fast. That one is so nice. So yeah. Ooh, fans. Where are the fans? Oh, it's enough fun. Assistant. So yeah, guys, that's the pre. I'm gonna come back another time to do like curtain shopping. Excuse me, I'm looking fans. Fans. I'm gonna come all the way up here. Alright, thank you. So I'm gonna come all the way upstairs. All for you to the fan them downstairs. But this bicycle is nice though. We definitely want to get this one for him. Alright, I'm gonna call him father here myself. Catch you in a sec, guys. Catch you in a sec. So here we're gonna go ahead and get this little cutie for my little cutie. He's been wanting a bicycle. Like he has a tricycle, but he wants to upgrade to a big boy bicycle. So that's the pre. I'm not looking at any strollers and any proms and all of them high chairs because we ain't getting no more kids. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, trying to find a fan. So the last time we got these. So definitely going to see if I can get another one because it lasted a good little while. I have it in black and white. Oh, let me see, I like this one. Multi-purpose, 3/4 speed, blah 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 blah. Let me look bad at all. So this is the one that I had in my sewing room that Jameer broke. So I'm gonna have to see if I can get like a replacement blade from one of our other fans, and you know, we'll sort it out. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got most of what I wanted, so now I'm going to see if I can cash out and head home because your girl is tired, right? Sorry, excuse me. So yeah guys, I'm out. Thank you. Yeah man, it's down here. Hi guys, it's a Saturday and we are on the road again. It's like stop no driving.
What channel is it?
I think red.
Tony's red.
When you're looking at it, you're yellow. So cool.
So hey guys, what was I saying? Just pause this for 1 second.
PJ Riders.
I pause the PJ Masks, boys. Why not pause? 1 second. So guys, heading on the road. As I said, it's Saturday. You soon get the balloon. So on the agenda today is basically to pick up some party supplies because this is the one around here.
You get a butterfly.
Okay, this is the one, Jamaican. Say hi.
Hi.
He's going to be 3 next week. So we're just picking up some party supplies for his birthday party. Javi, stop that.
Alright. Yes, I'm naughty.
So picking up some party supplies for his birthday party because we'll be, allowing him to celebrate with his friends at school. So we'll be sending over like a cake.
Party's so cool.
Party so cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to make a get cake too at school, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're just going on the road to sort that out and then come back home. It looks like it's gonna rain. It's pretty bleaky. So hopefully we can just run into town, get all of those stuff, come back home, call it a day. Alright, I don't think I'll be doing anything else for the rest of the day, so that's about it. Alright? Don't forget to like the video, guys. Javi, tell them to like the video. Javi. Jamir, please to wind up that. Wind it up. Javi? Javi? Tell them to like the video.
Hello. We're in the road and now the Jiggy Center. We were in the road and we were in the road and my parents clothing and now in the road.
Yes, Jamir. Yes, what's wrong? You're hot and the cars are cold? Yeah, we are the best. Anyway, guys, catch you in a bit. I'll say bye. So guys, I am in Sugar and Spice now. I ordered the cake from this morning, so I just paid for it. And they're going to basically write happy birthday on it, so I'm just here waiting. And I did get some patties as well, but so I have to eat food, like underbelly pieces, why not? So yeah, that's just the pre. My eyebrow don't need to do guys, like I think this will take a little while, but look at my eyebrows. Them need help. They look a baby edges. But yeah, that's the pre. So I'm just here waiting on the cake. I'll show you guys when I get it. And you'll see we opted out for the photograph cake. I mean, every year we get them a photograph cake, but this year it didn't work out because the order wasn't placed in time. But it's whatever. I'm sure he'll be fine without seeing his face on his cake. But yeah, that's the pre. So I'm just here waiting. Kids love party like them with me. I swear to you. So you guys, finished? Just picked up the cake for Jamir. He's knocked the heck out. They're in a back asleep, you definitely can't see him. What did I say you're supposed to say when you want to talk to mommy?
I will see the her.
Excuse me? Yes, sir?
I can see the back on dumpling.
Dumpling? It's not dumpling, it's Danish.
No, not this one.
The other box? That's
No.
Jamir's cake.
No, not the other box.
So what you want to say?
Then look in the back.
The dumpling in the bag, young man. Patties. You want more patties?
Yes.
No, so you can have a piece of mine. The other one is for your brother when he wakes up. So you can have this one. Okay? You can sit and eat.
Both of them, why eat both of them?
Because you're supposed to eat it together. Ask me why I eat the cocoa bread with the patty. That's a Jamaican delicacy, young man. Get into it. You don't like the cocoa bread? Take it off. I eat the patty alone. Okay? So you guys, just picked up the cake and now we're heading over to Mega Mart because we need some like party favors and stuff like that. Candles, birthday hats. Still time of vlog now, young man. Give me the bag. Go and watch the thing. Take the phone and go watch the phone, sir. So we do need to pick up some balloons.
I'm Gary.
Okay, Javi, go and eat and watch you think. So we need to pick up some candles, some balloons, some like birthday hats. Those are the goodie bags. I get some candy to fill it up. Jesus Christ, that's Jamaica around there. Probably a bun. I'm gonna turn up the AC. So yeah, guys, that's the pre. Listen, the road is hectic. The road is disgusting. It was raining for a couple minutes, so you know, said the road, and when it rains, it's just like when we were coming over, like the traffic that was heading back home, it's not pretty. So chances are we're going to have to take the toll. So we're going to Portmore, pick up those stuff, and then head back home. Like I literally thought would have been done already, because I don't really know of any like party stores that's in like the halfway tree area, if I'm being honest. I remember this one party store that was in like Central slash what the plaza they were KFC on, somewhere out there, and I think they closed down. So you could go and get like all your party supplies, but I don't think it's there anymore. The next best option would be to like stop at a pharmacy or something like that. Last year we got our party supplies from Azan's, but we can't reach Crossroads right now, so we're already gonna go to Portmore, so might as well just stop by Mega Mart there and just grab what we need and then head over. So yeah, that's the pre, guys. That's the pre. What else is on the list? That's about it. That's about it. Do I want to talk about anything else? I don't think I want to talk about anything else. Give me some light. Just give me the lights. Hey, just give me the light. Don't post. Hey. Give me a hot enough. And the cake they there. We can't have the car too hot and the cake in here. So guys, the AC is gonna make a beer nice. So I'll just cut it right here. So see you when we get to Mega Mart. These are the party favors that I'm thinking of getting. They have some Happy New Year. But no, we're just gonna get these, which has like the plates, the cups, everything in it. Have some more over there. Excuse me. Looking for candles, but they don't have a number 3 candle. Like everywhere I've been, they've been out a number 3 candles. I guess a lot of kids are turning 3, so we might just have to get one of these regular ones and just use these instead. Yeah, we might just get these because we can't find a number candle. So yeah guys, this is what I have so far. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Guys, are you feeling the Christmas spirit? Oh you? Oh you? Sorry. So now I'm on the hunt for party favors. I'm basically looking some stuff to put in the little goodie bags. Like some little toy trucks, cars, dolls, I don't know, anything I can find. Some have like some little dinosaurs I could put in the party boxes, in the gift bags that is. Shanice, what's wrong with you? Some little dolls here. They're so cute. Like I legit forgot to ask her like how many boys were in the class versus girls, so I literally don't even know what to get who. But I'm gonna get some cars. Some of those musical cars here, and probably split up and put it in. So yeah, that's the pre. Thank you. Rain candy for the kitties. And I got them some jacks. Like I used to love jacks as a kid, so I got them some jacks. I'm gonna try to find some other candies, regular candles. Thank you. Okay guys, this is all I got.
E-D-C-B-A came to steal the show.
Go again, Javi.
Say Y-A-W-B-U-T-F-R-K-P-O-M-N-L-K-J-I-A-G-N-E-D-C-B-A.
Good job, Javi. So it's all that backwards. Asia, your turn now. Jamie, your turn. That's not backwards,
Okay,
baby.
okay, let me try. ZYXWL.
Your turn, Jason. Go.
I can't do that.
We're not even like a try.
Only Jack is possible to do
Good
that.
job, Javi. High five. Good job.
Javi is smarter than all of us.
Speak for yourself, miss.
No.
I can't.
Boss man gone in a B&E. Gonna find me curry goat and roti. I don't know if they have it, but I've been craving curry goat and roti, so we just drive up and down and looking for seat. Hopefully we find it. Let's see. So yeah guys, I've just been craving curry goat and roti. I don't know if them have no roti in here, so but let's see. I don't know why. Because I had curry chicken the other day. So I had curry chicken and roti and that was bomb. But when I was ordering, I thought the menu had said curry goat, but it turned out to be curry chicken, but it was still good. But I've yet to get my curry goat. So JC said them have curry goat, but it's like them have Spanish rice. Like Spanish rice and curry goat tastes good. I don't know, guys. Leave it in the comments. Have you ever had curry goat and Spanish rice? I don't know how the one they're gonna taste, but I'm gonna taste it and make it guys know. What happened? You okay, Jamie? What's wrong?
I want to play.
Asia, pull him out for me, please. Good morning, guys. So I literally just got this package and I decided to do a little unboxing for you guys. So let's see what is inside. Well, I don't even know how to open this thing. So this is actually, listen, why this not working? Can I use my pen? Trying to use a seam ripper, but it can't work. I'm gonna see if I can cut the sides. Yeah, I think this is working over here. And this package should have been here ages ago. So it's just some shipping supplies that I purchased from Amazon. So these are some poly mailers / thank you packaging for like my swimsuits and stuff. I love the whole poly mailing idea, especially if I'm shipping overseas. So I decided to pick these up and they go perfectly with my thank you cards, so I had to get these. Then I also got some bags, and these are like merchandise bags that I use to package my stuff. So this is it. It's just the plain white bags with the handles, and it's just eco-friendly and so inexpensive. And I mean, with packaging I try not to break the bank, but when I have to I do. But other than that, I try to keep it simple. So this is all I got. This is 100 bags and I think about 50 poly mailers. So you guys, just a little mini unboxing. I also went ahead to package these party bags. So I also went ahead to package these like loot bags for Jameer's class party. Man. Yes, I also went ahead and did a little packaging last night with all of the birthday stuff that I'll be sending to school with him. So I have like the party hats, cups, everything in here, and then the little loot bags with like candies, toys and stuff like that. We all chipped in last night, me and the boys, and we just packed them up to send them to school today. However, unfortunately there is a strike. Taxis and buses are on strike, so most of the teachers won't be at school, so I decided to keep him home. But yeah, it's his 3rd birthday, so wish him happy birthday down in the comments. I'll do a little montage or a little birthday dedication video, and you guys can check it out and wish him happy birthday. So yeah guys, that's it for the day. I'm just going to chill with him for the rest of the day, and you know, basically see how the birthday turns out. So you guys, catch you in a little. Show me, Jamaica. How old are you now? Good boy. Happy birthday to you.